Keduka. So when I say they will know Keduka Onumen. So Patrick, you can.
So anile
Now, Patrick, what is the key word there? Tell me. What is honor?
so uno is like all of you or
There you go. When I'm talking to more than one person, right? So if you're responding on behalf of you and Becky, what will you say?
So I could say we all are
There you go. We are fine, right? Verse instead of I am fine. So how will you answer?
Anile Tichama.
No, but you don't have to put Anyinile in this case.
Okay.
So Becky, what will be? Hey, Sophie. Sophie, how are you? Sophie Kedo. Sophie Kedo. She's running. That is good, guys. So, Becky, what would be the best way to put it?
Just Ani Dietma.
I need them simple, Patrick.
Okay.
Yeah, it's because you're thinking too much about it. So you know it. But I noticed that you try to make sure you're not making mistake. Don't worry about making mistake.
Okay.
Yeah, so I need them. But if I say Kedoka email means that's singular, so just you at the moment. Okay, so Patrick, if you want to say we are not fine, how will you say that?
So Ani Digi Ma.
Anyị adịghị mma. Yes, anyị adịghị mma. Okay. All right, daalụ. So Becky, I know we didn't finish your homework. I told you I'm gonna finish it for you, but most of them you did very well there. So let's touch base on Patrick. And then we're gonna do Ijeoma too. I think Ijeoma is in too. That's Chidera. Chidera, Kedu?
Adima.
No, Chidera, I didn't say it right.
It's A, right? Not O.
Yeah, it's A, not O. There you go.
Oh, I thought I said it. Okay.
You say Adema.
Adima.
There you go, Adema. All right, darling.
Don't drink that water.
All right. So, Patrick, the number one, you said, can you buy? Okay. Can you buy beans? Have we done your own homework? Did we do that?
Mine? No, this is mine.
Yes. Yeah, did we touch base on it or this is the first time, right?
The first time.
Okay. Okay. Can you buy beans at the market? And this is what you said. Ị nwere ike ịzụta agwa n'ahịa? Awesome. Can you? Yeah, ị nwere ike. Okay, ịzụta. And you punctuated well. Agwa n'ahịa, but then you didn't punctuate. Okay, Patrick, you missed that ị nwere. That I should not be dotted on the. Okay, that's capital I. You are right. So Patrick did it very well. Ezota, he did it, punctuation there. Now, Ahia, you missed to, tell me what you missed to punctuate there, Patrick. Look at it, it's on the screen.
The I.
The I, there you go. So we're supposed to. That's the only thing Patrick can miss. And number two, Bo, nke abụọ. Number one, nkembo. Pay attention because we're going to see this on the quiz. Nkembo means number one. Nke abụọ means number two. Nke atọ, number three. So this is how, like, for example, when it comes to numerals, so I've said that before. If we are saying people, okay, we say Onyembo. Let's say Becky is number one, or Chidera is number two, Patrick number three. We say Onyembo means number one person. You can't say Nkembo. No, we're talking about human now, okay? So when you're talking about the object and subject and noun. Now, onye nke abụọ, onye mbụ means number one person. Onye abụọ, see, onye nke atọ, onye nke anọ. So you're talking about people lining up. Okay, that's by the way. Please sign the. Okay, please sing the. Oh, sing the lion song. Okay, please sing the lion song. Biko. Okay, this is where you missed it, Patrick. Biko. Boro abo ago. Okay, please sing. Okay, Biko. Guo. Supposed to say, Guo. I know the dialect you're trying to use, Anambra. Some people say Boabo. When I say Boabo, it means sing a song, right? When I say Goegu, it means also sing a song. I wish I would do it. Okay, let me open another page. I want to see, I want you to make sure you get what I'm doing. So 1 second. I'm trying to write on it, but it's not letting me do that. So I'm trying to open another one. Okay, I'll be going to 2. So let me stop sharing. Okay. If we say bo apple, if we say bo apple versus go egu, they mean the sentence. Sing a song. Okay, sing a song. Now, when you're trying to say, okay, sing a lion song, that's what you're trying to do here, Patrick. Go, mob, go, what do you, ago, egu, ago, go, egu, boabo. Like it's like your dialect now we say, boabo. Egu. Or some people say boago. If you want to say go, eguago, they are the same thing. Ago means lion.
Okay.
Boabo means sing a song. Goegu means sing a song. Both of them mean the same thing. So that's what Patrick used. So, but Patrick used their dialect. Boabo. People say boabo. People say goegu. So that's what it means. Boabo, guegu. So don't miss it. But Patrick, are we supposed to punctuate anything? Tell me. What are we supposed to punctuate?
So the ago, the you,
Huh?
not the
So from the beginning, boy, what are we supposed to punctuate today?
the bois is a U and the O.
There you go. Abo. Are we supposed to punctuate
The
anything?
U. The U needs to be punctuated.
And then how about the boy, egu? Anything to punctuate today?
The only thing, no, because they're both that's the E. So
Listen to it again. Go, go.
okay.
You see the sound now. So tell me what we're supposed to punctuate.
So that's the U and the O.
There you go.
Okay.
So at least you know your sounds now. That is good. That's good, Patrick. Doing very well. Okay, so let's go back to it again. Let's go back to your homework again. So we're gonna.
Okay. So I should just.
Okay, so the only thing you miss is say Biko Bor. If you want to say sing the lion song for us, or you see that sing the lion song for all of us. You say Biko Bora Ani. You see the difference versus Biko Boago.
Okay.
You got it. The only thing is I say Boro. So that is wrong. It's supposed to be Boa Ago. And if you want to say, please sing a lion song for us. Okay? And then say, Biko Guarani. You see the difference? Biko Guarani when you're talking about group of people now. You want the person to sing it, everybody. Okay, so that's the only difference there. But good job, though. Now, nke atọ, the story you tell makes me.
Laugh.
1 second. Okay. The story, wait, something is blocking it for me. The story you tell makes me cough. Laugh. Okay. The story you tell makes me laugh. Okay. Akụkọ. Okay, Patrick. He said, Akụkọ, when you're talking about telling story, but I like the way you're mixing things up. It's going to make you pick a lot of vocabularies. Akụkọ. Okay. Ịkọrọ. Not akụkọ, not ikwu. Ikwu is to talk. Okay. Ikwu. To tell a story means akụkọ is okay. Ịkọ akụkọ is telling a story. Let's go back. Let me go back. So I want you to know that Ijeoma ndewo no.
Oh.
Okay. So story. To tell a story, okay? Means ịkọ akụkọ. Oh, can you all see the page? I'm sorry. I thought
No.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were seeing it. 1 second. Let me go back again. Thought I was sharing it. Okay. All right. Now, to tell a story. Ịkọ akụkọ. Ịkọ akụkọ means to tell a story. Okay? To talk. Ikwu okwu. Ikwu okwu means to talk. So it is different from telling a story. So that's where you miss it, Patrick. To tell a story. Ịkọ akụkọ. To talk. Ikwu okwu. Now, if I say, Ijeoma kwuo okwu, it means Ijeoma talk. Ijeoma tell a story. Ijeoma kọọ akụkọ. Or I say, Becky, kọtụrụ anyị akụkọ. Kọtụrụ anyị akụkọ. Tell us a story. Tell us a story, miss.
Okay. Is akụkọ, isn't that chicken?
No, ọkụkọ. That's your husband, right?
Okay, sorry.
Ọkụkọ means chicken.
Okay.
By the way, Ijeoma, ahụ ọdịla gị mma? What did I ask?
Is my body good?
Are you feeling better? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good. We are happy to see you.
Yes.
Okay, tell us a story. Kọtụrụ anyị. Kọtụrụ. Some people will say kọrọ.
Okay.
Kọrọ. Kọrọ anyị. So it's gonna be kọrọ anyị. Akụkọ. Akụkọ. You see that? Kọrọ anyị akụkọ. Kọtụrụ anyị akụkọ. So you can use whichever one you like, but kọtụrụ anyị akụkọ. Some people use the word kọrọ. Okay, but we're gonna use
Which one do you use?
kọtụrụ here, but I'll leave two of them. Tell us a story. Now, gwa anyị okwu. Pay attention here. Talk to us. Talk to us. Okay. Kwuoro anyị. Kwuoro anyị. Kwuoro anyị okwu. You see that? So do you see the difference now, Patrick, between telling somebody to quote something or to tell something? So it's not the same. To talk is equal to tell a story. Ịkọ akụkọ. Okay, so know that. Now I'm gonna stop sharing this one. Let's go back to Patrick's homework. All right. Okay, so Patrick, what you supposed to say here is this. All right. The story you tell makes me laugh. Akụkọ ịkọrọ. Akụkọ ịkọrọ. Akụkọ ịkọrọ. Mere m na-eme m ka m mụọ amụ ma ọchị ọchị isi na-eme m amụ. You can say na eme m ọchị. There you go. Remember ọchị. Becky, what did I say ọchị means?
Smile.
Ịchị ọchị bụ ịchị ọchị.
Isn't it smile? Isn't it
No, ịchị ọchị means like when you're laughing.
that? Okay.
Ịmụ amụ, yes, they are the same. Ịmụ amụ, somebody's laughing or smiling. Or ịchị ọchị also the same thing. So, but Patrick, can you read that Igbo that you wrote? Let me see how you're gonna read it.
The right way or the way that
The right way. Now that you know the difference.
So akụkọ so
Ịkọrọ.
Ikoro.
Huh?
Ikoro na
Na-eme
more is it more
m, huh? Yeah, because that's me. You put me there. You're right. Yeah. Na-eme m.
na-eme achị ọchị
Na-eme m ka m chịa ọchị.
amchi ọchị. Okay.
Yeah, ka m chịa ọchị. Ma ọ ka m mụọ amụ. Now, another way is this. Ị na-akpa m ọchị. When I look at Ijeoma, I say, Ijeoma, ị na-akpa m ọchị. Miss Ijeoma is making us to laugh.
Okay.
Ị na-akpa m amụ. You see that? So you can say that. This is okay, Patrick, because you're learning. So the sentence, it is okay. But I'm telling you the maybe more advanced way to put it right. But what you put here, it is acceptable. The only thing you miss is equal. I think you put E there. So what you're supposed to just put echo. That's what akụkọ ịkọrọ. Ịkọrọ. Because it's something that is being said. Now, if it's in the present tense now, Becky, I want you to pay attention. I want you to put it in the present. You say, the story you are telling is making me laugh. Now, I want Becky to conjugate it. Becky is going to tell us how to say it in Igbo. The story you are telling is making me laugh. So let me see how Becky is going to say it. The story, now that you know the meaning of Eko Akoko, the story, Patrick said it here in past tense. Akoko Ekoro na-eme m amụ. Now, Becky, I want you to tell us in the present, the story you are telling is making me laugh. Ijoma after, Chidera, you're going to be the one to put it in the future tense. The story you will tell will make me laugh. So, Chidera, pay attention. After Becky. Your own will be the future tense. Becky is the continuous present tense. So, Becky, are you ready for us?
I think
Okay.
akuku e na echo na emum ochi ochi.
Then now, Becky, I want you to speak up loud. So, I want you to open your mouth and pronounce those Igbo words clearly. Yeah, go ahead.
Akuko e na echo na emum muchi ochi.
Na ememu, can you say ememu?
Ememu.
Okay, there you go. So Becky got it. Akụkọ ị na-akọ na-eme m ka m chịa ọchị. Or you can also say na-eme m amụ, na-akpa m amụ. You see that some people put that word, na-akpa m amụ. Akụkọ ị na-akọ na-eme m ka m chịa ọchị. Na-eme m amụ,
Okay.
na-eme m ọchị. Yeah,
I'm lost. So
Okay,
to
go
tell a
ahead.
story is akuko, right?
Mhm,
Iko
mhm.
akuko. That's the verb to tell a story. So the
Yeah,
way
to tell a
you're
story.
telling Becky, to put it in present tense.
Mhm.
I guess I don't
let me
follow
let me
why
go
are
to-
we
yeah,
starting with akuko then? If
That's okay.
to tell a
Let's
story is iko akuko.
yeah, let me put it in the present. Let me put it in. Let me
I'm
share the
lost.
page with you.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is what Becky is saying here.
Mhm.
The story, the key word here, Ijoma, is the story, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
The story you are telling
Mhm.
is making me laugh.
Mhm.
Okay. And Becky said,
Mhm.
Akụkọ,
Mhm.
akụkọ, ena, because this is the present. Okay? Akụkọ ena akọ na emem. Na ememu me is making the story you're telling is making me laugh. Na ememu amu, some people say amu, some people name na emem kam church or na. These are ways you can say that. Akpamu, amu.
Okay.
So
So what is
Ijoma, tell me what you're
what
missing.
does ina mean again? Ina.
Akụkọ ena, you. Remember, it is you, Ijoma, right?
Oh.
We study
Okay.
you. You see that?
Okay.
Then ena ako is in the present. Remember, we use na. We use ega for future. We use koro for past tense. So that's a, let me separate it. I think that's where you're missing it. A is you. Don't forget your pronouns.
Okay.
So did you get it now?
Yeah, I was wondering
Okay.
what that word was. Okay.
It's all right. I separated it to help you.
Okay.
Ena ako. But you can write
Okay.
it together. But Becky, you
Okay.
did very
Okay.
well. Okay, Chidera, your turn. Chidera, your own will be the story you will tell will make me laugh. Chidera, try. Okay, just try your best.
Okay. Akụkọ ịga akọ.
There you go. Akụkọ ịga, akọ.
The na ime, is that still
Don't use na because this is future now.
okay?
You started it well. Akụkọ ịga-akọ. Remember the future tense again.
Yes, I remembered the iga, but I don't
Now
remember
then
next
the
part.
ga will come in again. So use
Okay.
that. Yeah. Akụkọ ịga-akọ.
Akụkọ ịga akọ ga.
There
Like,
you go. That's what I'm looking
Wow.
for. Ga.
You did better than I would have done, that's for sure.
She got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Ga what?
ga.
Borrow the word there. Did you see what Becky did?
Ime.
Ga ememu.
Oh, okay.
Ga ememu.
Ememu. And is it the
You
same
can say
for the
ga
rest?
ememu or ga ememu kam chiochi. But if you want to make it short, because you're still learning, you can say ga ememu amu mobu ga ememu kam chiochi. But let's make it short. I don't want to. So go ahead and finish it, Chidera.
Ga emu.
Ga ememu. Don't
Ga
forget,
amemu.
mo means me.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Ga ememu. Amamu amu.
Ga ememu kam amu. Okay. Okay, Chidera.
I complete the rest of it like that.
It's okay. You
I'm
try.
not.
Get memo. Oh, so you want to use the longer one? Okay, memo. Kamumuamu. But let's make it short. I want you to get it first. So some people say get memo amu. Okay. Some people say ga bam amu. So you can use this too for now. ka akpa amụ.
Mhm.
All right, so yeah, we leave it
So
like
you're
that.
using either amu or akba,
Yeah,
either
amụ
one.
just to make it sure because gememam it is dissenting.
Okay.
Like in Ijoma, when you turn to me, you say, you're making me laugh. It's in akpa. You see what I'm saying? In
Amu.
akpa versus
Akpa
in a
amu.
mem. Yeah, in a mem kamuamu, mabu kamuchi ochi. Echi ochi.
So
Emuamu.
what? Okay,
Go
so
ahead.
it's EMEMUAMU is
The person making you.
yeah, but I'm saying that you can end the sentence with
You can end it.
ememu mamu period.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stop it there. You don't have to
Okay.
continue. But
Okay.
when you get to advance,
Mm.
it changes. But I want you all to get this section now.
Mhm.
Yeah. Do we have question? Anybody with a question here? Patrick, you want to judge?
Mba.
Okay, so let's go back to Patrick's homework now. Because we are doing the homework 10. Okay, so. Okay, another one. Kano. I need 2 eggs to eat. I need 2 eggs to eat. Now, I need and I want. Okay? Achorom. I need 2 eggs. I want 2 eggs. Okay. Achorom akwa abụọ. Now, Patrick, you punctuated you. Why didn't you punctuate O?
Yeah, I should have did the O too.
There you go.
Sorry.
And O on the achorom supposed to be punctuated. There you go. You got it. Achorom akwa abụọ. Okay, I need 2 eggs to eat. Achọrọ m akwa abụọ ka m rie. Achọrọ m akwa abụọ m ga-eri. So, it's not akwa abụọ iri. Achọrọ m akwa abụọ ka m rie. Okay, you can also say, achọrọ m akwa abụọ m ga-eri. That I will eat. Because when you put it this way, it's achọrọ m akwa abụọ. Or you can say, achọrọ m iri akwa abụọ. Achọrọ m iri akwa abụọ. I want to eat 2 eggs.
Okay.
Simple. Achọrọ m iri. Then you can move this iri and then between achọrọ m and akwa. Achọrọ m iri akwa abụọ. Simple. Yeah. So move that iri in between achọrọ m and akwa. And your sentence is correct.
I need to eat 2 eggs. Okay.
Okay. Then Key say, this is what is that, Patrick? This is
a night of sorrow.
Oh, this is a night of sorrow. Abalị a bụ abalị a bụ abalị arịrị. We need another abalị there. This night, okay? Abalị a bụ abalị arịrị. You need this night is a night of sorrow. You can't just say this is in English, yes. This is a night of sorrow.
This night is a night of sorrow, basically.
Yeah, but there you go. Abani
Abu, Abali, Ari.
Arere, there you go. Okay. So, because Igbo, in a language is somehow, it may be correct in English, but in Igbo, if you translate it that way, it's not going to make sense. Yeah, the
Did
only
I
thing
miss a list of vocabulary, or Patrick is?
No, Patrick is
a
just
journalist at heart. Wow.
Yes.
I'm looking at my papers. I'm like, did I miss a list?
But it's good, Ijoma, because he's trying to expose himself to many words, which is good, which is also vocabularies. Yeah, I love that. We're gonna get to your own, Ijoma. So let's round up.
Oh boy, don't hurry.
We're coming to your own. Now, Nkisi, what is the name of this
fish? Fish.
Oh, what is the name of this fish? Gịnị bụ aha azụ a? Now, but gịnị bụ aha azụ a? Now, this will come last now after azụ. There you go. What is the name of this Fish.
Fish.
Now,
Okay.
when I say this man, nwoka, this woman, nwanya, you see that?
Wow. Okay.
So you see how it goes. So when you say this bucket, see what I'm saying? When you say this plate, this spoon. So when you're putting it in Igbo, when you use, for example, this plate, afera, this spoon, ngajia, that A comes last. So the A will come after azu. Gene aha azwa. So just remove the A and put it after azu. Ijama, did you get what we did?
No, sorry. I was there was a call.
So Patrick is saying,
okay.
what is the name
What is
of
the-
this fish?
Yes. Mm.
So instead of Patrick putting this before fish, this will come after fish.
In Igbo, that's just what
In
Igbo
Igbo,
is.
yes.
Okay,
For example,
so
when I say this woman, okay, that says it's gonna be one year.
1 year. Okay.
You see that? This man, nwoka. You see that? So the only thing he's missing there is just putting A before azu. Na nkasa. My stomach hurts after eating the garden egg. Yeah, he used one of the vocabularies. My stomach hurts. Afom, okay? Afom na afom. Emecha area. Okay.
So sorry,
Afom,
Mrs. Ohaya. So what is the word for this? I missed that.
which one?
The
Stomach.
Guinea bu aha.
Okay, this
Azu.
means ah. Okay, like when
Oh,
you
just
say
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
ah,
Okay.
that's what it
Okay.
is.
That's all. Okay.
Nwoka, nwanyị.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So my stomach hurts. After, okay, my stomach hurts after eating the garden egg. Now, Patrick, this is a very, very, very strong one. Okay, there are several ways to say this. Afọ na afọ m ụfụ, or you can say afọ bidoro fụwa m ụfụ oge m richara. Got it? Say afụfa. Okay, but you say afọ na afọ m ụfụ. Okay, you see, I think
Fumofo is
what
pain
I trying
or
to
to
say
hurt.
here is that emeche eri afụfa. Oh, it's supposed to
After
be
I've eaten.
when,
After I've
yeah,
eaten.
after,
Yeah.
which is okay. This is what we're gonna let's put it over here. So I'm gonna stop sharing the other.
So, Mrs. Ohaya, so we are writing down sentences
Yes.
and trying to translate. I just remember from Spanish, my teacher always used to say, think in Spanish, don't think in English and then translate. So I think for me, that's the hardest. So I think also probably what we need from you is if we say it in English, how should we be thinking of it so that we grammatically put it down correctly in Igbo?
Yes.
You see, I would have written it the way Patrick is, but then I would translate it that way, which is why you're correcting it.
That's why I'm correct. So
yeah.
For one example, Ijoma, is when we say this person, that person, you see? So knowing that you have to create, it doesn't come that way, but it will come natural. Trust me. Once you learn your pronouns and all the adjectives, know how to use all this now, you'll be fine. It will come natural. It's not something that you struggle. But once you know that this should come after, the same way
after the
when
noun.
you're after now, yes. So that's one clue there. For now, just know that now comes before this. So don't put this man, this spoon, this bag. So don't translate it like that. Just like my mom, my dad, remember? You put my mom, you see that, before mine. So it is the same way. But you will get there. Don't worry. It's when we keep on climbing the ladder, so you see how easy it is. So Patrick, what are you going to say? Afọ. Okay, you can start by oge m richara nri. Oge. When I finished eating, my stomach started hurting. My stomach started hurting when I finished eating. Just in English, there are ways. You can 2 ways or 3 ways. So the same way in Igbo. Oge m richara nri. Richara. Or you can say oge m richara. 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 When I finish, see that. Richara means when you finish. Oge m richara. Nri. Comma. Afọ nyere m. Some people say afọ tara m maọbụ afọ nyere m nsogbu.
Musubu.
There you go. Afọ afọ nyere m nsogbu. You can also say afọ tara m. You can say afọ tara m. Let me put it in parentheses. Afọ tara m. So this is the shorter way. Or you can also say, afọ nyere m nsogbu oge m richara nri. Just switch it. You start with afọ nyere m nsogbu maọbụ afọ tara m oge m richara nri. It's just switching it. Just like my stomach started hurting after eating. Or after eating, my stomach started. So just the same way. So we're going to switch this one.
So what you wrote is Ogem Richaranri. It means after I have eaten. Oh no, that's present tense. Is it
Ogem
present?
richara is past tense.
It's past tense. Okay.
Yes, it's past
How would I
tense.
know that? How would I know that's
You
past
will know.
tense?
It's after. Now we're gonna put it in
after.
present
Okay.
tense. Let me so you will know, Ijoma. We will do it in present tense to help you out. Okay, afọ. This is another way. Afọ nyere m nsogbu. Okay, mo afọ tara m. Oge m. Oge m richara nri. You can say nri anyasị maọbụ nri ehihie maọbụ nri ụtụtụ. You see, but Patrick just after eating. My stomach started hurting after I finished eating. Okay. Now, my stomach is hurting when I'm eating. Ijoma, that's now it's happening. Afọ na-enye m nsogbu. You see the difference? Na-enye. This, that na is what is happening now. Do you see the difference? Okay, when you say afọ na. Na-ata m. See that? Na-ata m. Afọ na-ata m. Or afọ na-enye m nsogbu. You can use it. Let's use nsogbu.
Yeah, that one's familiar to me.
Yeah. Afọ na-enye m nsogbu. Oge m na-eri nri. It's like afọ na-enye m nsogbu. Oge m say when you are eating. Na versus afọ nyere m nsogbu. You see the difference, Ijoma? Afọ na versus afọ nyere m is something that happened already. But this one, afọ na-enye m nsogbu. Afọ nyere m nsogbu. That's past tense. Oge m na-eri nri. Your stomach is hurting while you are eating. Nsogbu oge m na-eri nri. Now, if you want to do the future, afọ ga-enye m nsogbu. You see that? Afọ ga. So the key word is this ga. Na, nyere. So pay attention to that. That's how you know the past tense, future, and present. Okay, so I highlighted them. Afọ ga-enye m. It will hurt. It's like there are things when you eat them, it start hurting. You say, okay, my stomach will hurt when I eat this. Afọ ga-enye m nsogbu. See that? So know that. Okay, so let's go back and finish up Patrick's homework. Ujam, I hope we'll have enough time to get your own. Let's see. Come on, what are you? Okay. Good job, Patrick. I like how you really juggle our minds here. A suitcase full of, what is that? Snails, right?
Snakes.
Snakes. Ah, come on. That's the worst animal I fear. That's the worst animal. Okay. A suitcase full of snakes. You make my body crawl.
You gave
Now
us
you
your
can simply
vocabulary.
say,
Mhm.
you can simply say, Patrick, Abati, agwo juru. Abati, agwo juru.
I'll go Juro. Okay.
Agwo juru. Now you can say a cup, a pot, okay? A pot full of water. You say, ite mmiri juru. You can say, Abati, agwo juru. Or you can also say, agwo juru na akpati. Okay, but simple one is akpati, agwo juru. Let's put it there. Akpati,
So-
agwo juru.
What is snake?
So, but Patrick say akpati. Patrick, can you say what you wrote here? Emeju nke agwo. Akpati a, you didn't say this suitcase, so you cannot say
Okay.
Yeah, so because we
Okay.
didn't say this suitcase.
I see.
So, but what you said here, I tried to correct it here, but this is not working. It worked when I did the Bakis. I think Bakis was in PDF. So that was why I could type on Bakis, but your own is not letting me do that. So I'm going to go back. So I want to write it. I want you to see what it is. Akpati agwo juru. That's how you're supposed to say it. So it's going to be
Mhm.
Apa.
I get Tochiko to join.
So, like,
Agwo.
it- suitcase. Snake.
Akpati means the
Like-
suitcase. Akpati can be any box, anything that you can close. So you put things. So akpati agwo juru. That's it.
Filled.
Yeah.
A
That's
suitcase
it.
full
So
of
It's
agua,
almost like,
so agua is snake.
agwo is snake.
Oh, this is easy. That's
and then
easy.
Yeah.
Juro
Okay.
is like full of, like
Okay.
filled with.
Go ahead, Patrick. What was the question?
So Juro is like filled with. So it's
Juru
like,
is full.
Yeah.
Full.
so
When
it's
you
like
say,
suitcase
now, Patrick, you can tell me.
filled.
I say, Patrick, you come and eat. Biari Henry. Patrick, can you tell me, afo jurum?
Okay.
What do you understand? What did I say? Afo jurum? I'm full.
My stomach is full. Yeah. It's,
Yeah, it means you're full. You don't want to
Full.
eat anymore. And then when I say, oh, Patrick, miri ojuru na ite. Miri ojuru na ite. Is that, for example, ite means the pot. A
Yeah.
pot where you fill water. So I want to know if you filled it. Patrick, eba juru miri na ite. Did you fill the water? Did you fill the pot with water? So akpati agwo juru, it means a suitcase full of snacks. That's what it is. Okay, so now let's see. Agwo juru, yes. I think we finished, Patrick. Let's see.
I have two more in.
What is the name of this? Okay, we did that one. Okay, we have two more for Patrick. Okay.
Is it easier if we send it as a
Probably a PDF.
PDF?
PDF. What I will do next time, I'm going to put it on a PDF, so it's easier to
Oh,
correct.
I can send it. I can send it on PDF.
Yeah, resend
Yeah.
your own, Ijoma,
That's
because it's
okay.
likely we're gonna get to your own next week.
Oh,
But
okay,
Becky,
all right,
Becky
no
is
problem.
already on PDF, so we're still working on
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Suffering will make one cry. Afufu. Now, Patrick, you can do this one better. Suffering will. Pay attention to that feature. I want you to redo this one. Suffering will make one cry. Tell me how, another way you can do it. With ga. Remember. I don't think you are thinking well when you afufu aga. No. Why did you put aga?
It should just be ga.
Yeah, there you
Right.
go. Now put it right.
Afufu ga eme onyata aqua.
Now, one, when you are using one to represent somebody, you're talking about a human being, right?
Correct.
So I want you to use the word for one, like a human being.
Oh,
Yeah. Or
No, use
that's
what word do I say? You use for a human.
Among?
Mado. Mado.
Madu.
So
Oh.
whenever you're making a sentence with one, that when you're translating it to Igbo, use mado in place of one.
Okay.
Yes. Suffering will make one cry. Now go ahead and put it right.
So afufu ga eme madu aqua.
Aqua, there you go. Afụfụ ga-eme mmadụ akwa. Afụfụ ga-eme mmadụ ibe akwa. Afụfụ ga-eme mmadụ ka ọ bee akwa. So, but this is okay because you're, trying to get it right. Afụfụ ga-eme mmadụ ka ọ bee akwa. It's a suffering. We make one cry. So you try, but it shouldn't have that A shouldn't be there. God, because
Which
you're
A?
doing future. You see that, Ijam, you see what we're saying? You put afufu, which is suffering will. Suffering. You see that?
Yeah.
Suffering is making.
Yeah.
Which means now. Suffering made. Mere. You see that?
Okay.
So when it's past tense, when it's present, when it's future. So we use the same method, the pattern to do that. So that's the only thing you miss there. Why are they? What is that? Wealthy, right?
Yeah.
Why? Guinea wealthy.
Wealthy.
Rich. I guess rich.
Rich. Nibo. Ako.
Uh-oh.
Ako. Yeah, Patrick, you put it right. Ako. Okay. Sometimes when Igbo people say onye nwere ego, have you guys heard onye nwere ego means a rich person? Onye nwere ego is a rich person. Becky nwere ego, it means you're a rich person, Becky. Nwoke a nwere ego, this man is rich. Nwaanyị a nwere ego, this woman is rich. So here, why are they wealthy? Gịnị mere ha jiri nwee akụ? Na, Patrick, gịnị mere ha jiri? Why are they wealthy? Gịnị mere ha jiri nwee ego? Jiri. Yeah.
What is the
Gịnị
word
mere
jiri?
ha? Yeah, jiri nwee ego.
What
Why
is the
is
verb?
Ijoma? Now, Ijoma, when we say, why is Ijoma smiling? Gịnị mere Ijoma ji amụ amụ? Why is she smiling? Gịnị mere o ji amụ amụ? Now let's go to the shit. I'm gonna do several of them. Because this one is hard to understand sometimes.
So jere is what verb is that?
Jiri. Jiri.
Oh, is that a verb?
Iji.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Iji. Okay, so let me do this now. Okay, gịnị mere? Why is she laughing when we say? Why is she laughing? Why are we eating? Why are they here? Okay. Why? Let's say, why did they come? Oh, come on. Okay. Now, when you ask these questions, okay, why are they laughing? Why are they eating? Why are we eating? Why are they here? Okay. So, based on that question Patrick asked, gịnị mere? Oh, that's she. He or she now. Gịnị mere? Oh, Oji. Okay. Why is she? Gịnị me Oji amụ amụ? Gịnị mere. Oh, come on. The O is she or he.
Mhm.
Gịnị mere o jiri amụ amụ? Ah, I don't know what's going on. Gịnị mere o ji amụ amụ? Now pay attention. Why are we eating? Gịnị mere anyị ji eri nri? Pay attention. Why are we eating? Gịnị mere anyị ji eri nri? Now, why did they come here? Gịnị mere ha jiri? So you see the sentence how it changed. Gịnị mere ha jiri bịa ebe a? Ijoma, did you see the difference there?
Okay,
Why
so
did
the
they come here?
yeah, I see the
Dore-
difference. I guess I'm not understanding. So
Okay.
G is what verb is that? I'm looking at my list. I'm
E.g.,
lost.
Why
It's-
are you doing something? Why
To,
did
is it
this?
to do? To do.
It has to do with why something happened. Why is something like this? Why is something like that? Now, Patrick said, why are they wealthy? Why are we eating? Why are we lucky? Gịnị mere anyị jiri? So why are we so fortunate than others? It's why is something is the way it is. When you use jiri, you're trying to explain why something is the way it is. Why should
So
something?
is it a verb or it's a noun or what is it?
It's a verb because iji,
Okay.
ede, ijer.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when you conjugate it was so. When Patrick said, why are they wealthy? Gịnị mere ha jiri nwee ego? Gịnị mere ha jiri nwee akụ? Inwe ego is to be wealthy. Gịnị mere ha jiri nwee ego? Okay, now. Gịnị mere? If we say like group of women, we say, why are we women? Why is something the way it is? Gịnị mere anyị jiri bụrụ nwanyị? Why are we women? Then you say, Gịnị mere anyị jiri bụrụ nwanyị? Why are we women? So, Ijoma, did you understand when you're trying to say, why is something this way? Why is something this way? That's when you use jiri. But you see, when you're going, why is she laughing? Gịnị mere oji? It's not jiri here. This is why is this person doing this now? Versus why is this thing like this? I don't know if you understand. Did anybody understand what I'm saying?
Like if it is like, if it's like something more of in the, because Jiri would be more of like a past tense type of thing.
Yeah, past tense. And also, why is this person poor? Why is this person rich? Something that is deal. I know, yeah, poor people can maybe at some point maybe rich. Rich people may at some point maybe become poor. But now, for example, to help you understand it better, you question, why am I a woman? Or a man, I question, why am I a man? Okay, why is it that some people live in a top? Why are they living in a high-rise building? Why are they living in a ranch building? See, this kind of question.
So anytime you
when
put
it's-
why is, why are, why did, that's Jiri, it has to be there.
Yeah, it has to be there, but it has to do with why is something the way it is. This question, Jiri, supposed to be, for example, you can say OG, J-I, when you say, why is the Ijomas laughing? Versus, why is the Ijoma a doctor? It's what I'm saying now. You are laughing now, but now you are now a doctor. You see what I'm saying? Somebody is asking, why is Ijoma a doctor? Why is Ijoma a nurse?
So that's one you don't use Jiri, is what you're saying.
That's the one you use jiri.
Mhm.
Gịnị mere Ijoma jiri bụrụ dọkịnta.
Mhm.
Gịnị mere Ijeọma jiri bụrụ
Is
nwa?
there,
Did you understand what I said? Versus why is Patrick? Okay, now another example is gịnị mere Patrick jiri yiri ugegbe anya? Why is Patrick wearing glasses?
okay.
You see why? So there is a reason why this person is rich versus, okay, why am I drinking water? You see what I'm saying?
So sorry, and maybe it's just me. So is there a why sentence that you will use where you don't use jiri? I'm not catching that.
Yeah, look at the screen now. I say, okay,
Well,
for
no,
example,
okay, so no, ma'am, I'm not making myself clear. You have
Yeah.
G in each of those sentences. So is there a sentence where you ask why, where you don't use G, GI,
Don't-
or any variation of GD?
yes. Now, if you look at the
Okay.
two sentences before the last one, those one is something happening. Why are we eating? You ask that question. The other one is, why is she laughing? Okay, look at the last one and see a big difference. Why did they come? It's mostly like something that already happened. Why
Right.
did this person become this? You are already that. It has happened. It's like something that has happened. It's not something happening. It's not something you're going to be later. But you're asking, why is this person this? So take it as a past tense. But if you say something past tense, no, it's a past tense, but it's something that has taken place. And you're questioning about that. Versus I'm laughing now. Patrick is saying, why am I laughing? I'm walking. Becky say, why am I walking? They are different. That's when you use G. But if it's now, Ijoma, you're a doctor, then I'm asking Becky, why is Ijoma a doctor? I don't know if you understand the two examples.
Yeah.
Something that has taken place already. And you're questioning, why is it that some people are rich? Why is it that some people are poor? This is the where Jiri should come in. I'm trying to see, Becky, do you have another example or anybody here, or Patrick?
Why is Sophia coming here?
Well, okay, there you go. So Ijom is giving me Sophia G ever. This is something happening now versus.
No, that's the answer to my question.
Okay.
I don't see another sentence where you would use why anything and not have GI or GIRI. That's my thing.
Right. I think that
Oh.
from what I,
That's my problem.
from-
My initial question is there any sentence where you will use why anything and not have GI or GIRI?
Oh, okay. When you say, let me see.
So I'm trying to make an association. To me,
Okay,
it sounds like anytime
No,
I say why,
I understand what you're
G,
asking.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
For example, now, when I say, Ijoma, come here, you say, why?
Okay.
That's it. That's it. If you don't put any other thing, I say, get maka gene. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll say, okay, why are you asking me?
Mm-hmm.
Well, once you put that sentence there,
Okay, I got it.
Give him a judge. The only way you cannot put G is only why.
Okay, I
Ijoma,
got it
come
now.
here.
That's
Why?
all. I got it.
Yes.
Okay.
So did you
Okay.
understand it?
Yeah, I got it.
But anything with why you're making a sentence, you either have G or GD
Okay.
if it's
I got
something
it.
that has already happened.
Okay, I got it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm sorry we could not get to your homework and Becky, your own. I wanted to do it and send, but I said no, it would be better to do it in class so that everybody will get it.
Mhm.
But Patrick, you really made everybody sweat. That's good.
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah,
That
me
is
too.
good. Yeah, Ijoma, we're still gonna get to your own.
Okay.
But this was, now let me say this. This was, Patrick, make use of them in the house. At least you have Becky there, you have all your kids to use them. And every one of you, just because we did Patrick's homework, I want you all to do it too. And what I'm gonna do next week, I'm going to pick these words, put them in the, maybe we do a little Kahoot, make like 10 questions. We do it before we start Ijoma's homework. and let me see if you are carried forward. Do you all want us to do that? Want me to make a Kahoot?
Yes.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, let me see if you return because it's going to help you as well. Like apathy, nsogbu, some of these words. I'm gonna use agwo, which is snake, and those words. So I'm going to mix them together and see if we be able to decode them. So onwere onye nwere ajụjụ?
Mba.
Mba.
No.
Okay,
Olu.
ngwa. Chidera ịnọzikwa ebe a. Ọ dị ka hụrụ m Tochukwu kọwa Arinze.
Arinze.
Arinze kedu? Arinze. Arinze nọ ebe a. Chidera kedu kwanụ?
I'm here.
Okay, Chidera ị nwere ajụjụ?
No.
Okay. All right, everyone. Ngwa ka emesịanụ.
Audio.
Cardio.
Okay.
Okay.